We're celebrating the kickoff of Douglas County's newest trail, the Agriculture Trail, aka the Agri-Trail. And the Agriculture Trail is 6 locations throughout Douglas County where people can see things that are being grown, locally grown and produced in Douglas County.
We decided as a county to do Douglas County Travel and Tourism. We really had no clue what was going to happen. We just knew that we needed to do a better job at using our hotel motel tax and giving something back to the community. And these are the types of events that are happening. So can we give it up to this board for their incredible ingenuity and thinking outside the box?
What a great county to be in that sees agriculture as an important part of the community, a healthy part of the community. When we think about agriculture, we think about gardens, small-scale farms, chickens, livestock, but agriculture is also part in an urban setting. It's also our landscape, our green industry, our arborist. So there's a wide range of different things going on, and especially ag tourism. Ag tourism is very, very popular, and so Douglas County and the trails that are going on are awesome.
Yes, I am so enthused that we were actually able to have some of the locations visit us today, like the alpaca farm.
What do you think about those alpacas?
They're like so cute.
They're so cute. Yeah? Did you like feeding them?
Yeah.
And we also were able to meet new friends, people that we didn't know were in Douglas County that are selling and growing produce and selling rabbits. And we are very thankful for the partnership with UGA's Cooperative Extension as well, because we're here at one of our locations, the community garden. So we're so excited, and of course the support of our residents, it means the world to us.
I've lived in Douglas County since 1999. I enjoy being in my county, going out exploring the trails. I join all of the things that the Douglas County Travel and Tourism do just to learn about my community.
So I thought this was a great way to get them out, talk about agricultural and just trying to get them more exposure to, why food insecurity and what we can do to make it better.
We just moved to Douglas County, and our goal eventually will be to have a farm that people could visit with tiny houses and all sorts of experience. So this is right up our alley. So in a couple of years we'll be joining the Ag Trail.
Just want to get out and experience Douglasville. And we seen it on Facebook, and I seen this, she said, "You want to go to this event?" It's okay.
Great. Awesome.
I enjoy the garden. Is beautiful. Everything.
Yes.
Just we learn a lot.
Your passion.
Okay.
Do you like people?
I do like people.
Do you like having fun?
Yes.
Then you're a potential candidate.
Okay.
The bottom line is we want to promote healthy living and healthy lifestyles. We want people to know that you can grow. You can grow in your backyard, you can come to the community garden, and if you don't, then support those that grow right here in your county.